G'day, g'day. Before we watch the video, I'd like to take this opportunity to thank Hammerhead, Jared and his team, Jacko, the fabrication manager, and my boy Daniel, who built my boat trailer and my tinny. I'm not going to tell you much about the boat. You can watch it and see how it comes to life and all the rest of it. And this has been a while in the making. I've been annoying Jared for about a year on what I wanted to do, and he finally come up with an idea, and we both agreed on it, and off we go. So the first video is basically about the trailer and the boat and the construction and what I'm going to do to it further on down the track. You'll get to see how it turns out. This is a short video of the trailer construction because, I mean, like, what do you show? But I hope you enjoy it, and again, thank you very, very much to Hammerhead for all the work they've done. I really, really appreciate it. Righto, just dropping into Hammerhead to see the boys. They've started on the boat trailer. Look at this beast while I'm here. What a beast. I think, if my memory serves me, I think this one is for sale. The bloke that got it built, I think the sale fell through. He's changed his mind, but I could be totally wrong. But anyway, have a chat with Hammerhead. Anyway, let's go over and have a look at my boat. I got some toys here, I tell you. This is a Sandfly 4.5. This is exactly the same as mine, but mine is definitely modified. It's not a tiller, it's side console, and there's a lot more changes. Anyway, you'll see. Woot woot. Here we go. The boys have got the components. That's just there. Everything I need. Gonna do it right the first one. Very nice. Very nice indeed. Look at all the bits and pieces laid out. That's my boy over there. He's the one doing it for me. With Jacko. Jacko's hiding somewhere. Anyway, bit by bit, we're getting there. I just snuck into the shop, have a look at the trailer. They started yesterday afternoon. They've done pretty well. Geez, they're quick. No. I mean, like it's only just, this is the skeleton. But it's getting there. Do the bait first, do the bait trailer first, and then get on to the juicy parts of the boat. Nice. Very nice. Well, there she's all stripped, all pulled down. She's they're prepping her for her acid bath. Apparently that's what they do. And then they'll assemble it, and then I'll take it home until the boat's ready to sit on top of it. Anyway. Alright, back in to see the boys. They've just let me know that the trailer is finished, well, as far as they can go until the boat gets put on it. The wheels are on, the side lights, everything's finished. Jacko's just finishing off the trailer lights. I'll take it home from here, and then they'll concentrate on the boat and see how we go. Hopefully the boat will be finished ASAP. Not rushing the boys at all, but left hand, yes. Right hand, yes. Brake lights perfect. And running lights perfect. That was easy. One of the things I want to show you, I don't know if I can get my camera in there, but check this out. I hope you can see this. But what he's done is put pipes in there where the cables go through. I hope you can see that, I really do. Because that's really cool. Whew, well, the boys just let me know the trailer is finished. My young bloke's just doing touch-ups, but check this out. Flashy wheels. I picked this up the other day. I wanted something a little bit sturdier. Very nice indeed. I'll do a few things when I get home. I'm going to put Evertread on here so I'm not skidding and sliding all over the place. So, but that's her finished. That is her done. Got to be happy with that. Oh, look at that, she's on the trailer. Well, Malcolm Brown snuck in to have a look.
Yeah, it gets my approval, mate. It's got my approval. Like it.
Yes. Now for the fit out. Oh, God.